This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring safe power and a known signal. First, unplug and inspect the power cord and rear fuse visually. A blown fuse often kills the amp. Once done, plug in and switch the amp on with volume at low so you avoid speaker damage. Make sure the input selector is set to a working source like your phone or test tone. Keep a multimeter and a spare speaker or headphones nearby to measure voltages and confirm output without risking main speakers. You now verify that signal reaches the amp and that outputs respond. Connect a 1K HZ test tone or a steady audio track. Listen for detectable hiss or tone when volume raised slightly. Next, inspect speaker wiring and impedance ratings. Mismatch can trip protection. Use your multimeter to measure DC offset at speaker terminals. It should be near 0 volts. Then measure AC output voltage while playing the tone to estimate power. If readings look, you finish by exercising the amp under realistic conditions and isolating faults. Play through every input and channel at safe, moderate volume to confirm consistent operation. This reveals intermittent failures. Make sure the amp doesn't overheat, hum, or clip. Those behaviors suggest protection activation or faulty circuitry. If something goes wrong, swap speaker cables, try another speaker, and test a different source to localize the failure. If the amp still misbehaves, note symptoms and consult a technician for internal repair. These signs often require professional service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.